Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sunon UP1 Standing Desk and you need to do a hard reset on the controller. Now, the reason you're going to want to do this is if this controller stops working or if the desk stops moving when you tell it to move, if it's not responding to the button pushing, even when it's unlocked, you might need to do a hard reset to just clear out any errors on it. Now, this is not actually going to delete your stored height positions or anything like that. It will just basically force the internal mechanisms to do a power cycle on it and clear out any errors on it, hopefully. So all you need to do this is you may need to lower it to the lowest position, but if it's not responding, then you can just do this either way. What you want to do is you want to press and hold the down arrow for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, you should see on the little screen on the left of the buttons that it will show up with an RST indicating that it has been reset. And then once that RST is there, then you can just press and hold the down arrow again until that clears out, and it should give you the current desk height displayed.